Thank you for 280 subscribers. Thank you for 28,000 channel views. Even though we missed 27,000, but that's okay. Hey guys! Today we're gonna rate some more EAS alarms. It's been 11 days since we've done this.
This is our emergency system alert. This is our emergency system alert. The United States government has decreed some missiles being sent from Saudi Arabia and they're going to attack Phoenix, Yuma, Douglas, Benson and Bindi. Please seek a refuge immediately in Hal.